Welcome back. It's the Higher Table Podcast. It is what it is. So, guys, I guess you have seen Road Kid or Oscar the Statement Chore. He's no longer going to be dropping the remixes and the covers because his plan now is to jump directly to introduce his new music, man. We all know Uri. When you talk about Road Kid, you're talking about the most talented rapper, singer. Like you can just listen all rounder, man. So Announcer Kwapazori is not gonna be dropping the covers this year. It's no longer gonna be dropping the remix, but we wanna look forward to dropping the new music because, as you know, this guy is good, man. In the music, it's something else. He gives you the hits, hit after hit, non-stop. So what he's saying is that, yeah, man, he have learned a different side of the game, and then he understand the game. So it's time for him to also introduce his new music, something that you guys gonna enjoy, if you know what I mean. Because he's gonna be bringing something different to the game. One thing that you must know is that he learned a lot about our current music, and then doing covers. Also elevate kuwa mani zomutakusana nthango chikombhalera kana chotona mudagasi unoshava unotsodzi cable ridormeni. So on as beatmakers that was adapted to the new style, to the new sound, how things are done now in the game. And you guys have supported him doing all these things. He got to get introduced to new fans, everything. He got more bookings. He got everything like changing, man. He got the game shaking. If you could check Limpopo and Dobonazori, it's one of those artists whenever they're getting bookings. So we like to say, man, I've heard some of the tunes, and then I can't wait for these people to actually now, because I know, man, you're gonna kill it. You're gonna give us something dope, man. You're gonna doshi us. Man, I'm proud of how you have grown in this industry, what you've done in this industry, how you're still growing, man. And then staying humble, staying focused, doing what you do best, and not changing on those that you came up with, helping you build, being that guy that knows what he's looking for in the industry. Now, what I'm going to tell you, man, I'm expecting those great music, those great tunes, those dope music that you want to give us, because I know you're gonna give us the hit after hit, man. I trust in your hard work. I trust in the patience. I trust in how you do things. Yeah. So what you Basungomangara Muspachipo for the new music and the Wakorifa one is because yeah, man, he's back to his old ways. When I'm saying his old ways, I'm talking about giving us the dopest music ever. Know what I mean? So yeah, man. My CP is also overheated. I don't know why my CP is doing this, CPU, like it's everything today is just something else. So yeah, man, he's saying that you should expect brand new music, as he's gonna be introducing more tracks. His beat makers, they're gonna be giving you something. So you can read it there on the screen, as you can see there. It's right there on your screen. So I'm just happy, man. He's doing what he does best, man. And then I hope you're gonna continue to support him. And he says, thanks you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much for supporting him. And you should expect him to stay relevant and elevating, to the higher. Nothing can stop us, man. I'm out of here. I'm proud of you, kid, and I'm hoping to see more. Don't forget to check out most of his performances right here on this channel, because we did upload his performances. I'm sorry about the screen jamming, guys. My CPU seems to be driving me crazy today. I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you're looking for anything or you want to speak to us or get in touch about anything, 082-6937-124 is the easiest number to get hold of me.